I probably sound like a broken record at this point, but I sold and donated my clothes at the start of last year, and no one told me up until now, I'm 34 years old, how to pack my suitcase for a holiday. So I'm going away to Corfu, and I thought I would take you with me. I'm actually hosting my first press trip in Corfu for a collaboration that I'm doing with a brand called CB Villas. So my business partner in wine is teaming up with them this summer to offer their customers a discount and the vice versa. And anyone who books on to a CB Villas holiday will receive a branded partner in wine bottle, which I will show you later. But let's get into packing, because the way that I used to pack for my holidays is I would basically build a massive pile of all the tops that I like, a massive pile of all the bottoms I liked, maybe a few dresses in there. And that's how I would pack. I wouldn't pack outfits. I just pack all the things I liked. And that kind of gives you an insight into what my whole wardrobe was like, because up until that point, that everything in my wardrobe kind of stood alone. It didn't all kind of go together in the way that it does now, if you've been following my journey. If not, go and have a look at my shorts, and you can have a look and see what my wardrobe used to look like versus what it looks like now. So we've got the agenda. So on a press trip, you will have an agenda, which I have in front of me here. So I've basically broken it down by what outfits I will need. So we're going out for 3 different dinners. Then we've got kind of different things going on, like a cooking class. I'm hosting a wine tasting. And then we've got a brunch picnic vibe going on, and we'll need some poolside outfits. We are going to be near the town, so I'm going to pack some workout outfits as well, because I'm on a bridal workout journey and I need to get those steps in too. So let's start with dinner outfits. I feel like that makes the most sense. So the way that I would usually start packing is to go onto this Pinterest board that I've built. I probably need to split this up into like different outfits or something, because currently it is just a big mishmash of everything. There's no theme to it. Restyle. It's got lots of different things on here. Some things I don't own. They're just on the wish list, but we've got loads of different like kind of cute variations. White trousers, grey top, grey tee. Love this look. I do actually have a little black skirt like that. Should we start by building this outfit? I feel like that would be a vibe. So do I want to wear heels? I've also got other things like this girl in this dress. I've got a dress very similar to that. I've got some little black pumps that I could take. Oh, that's cute. I don't have a white skirt though, but that's okay. Let's start with that outfit and see how we get on, shall we? One key, oh gosh, it looks so unhinged. One key part of packing is actually also making sure you pack outfits that do kind of all go together so that you can mix and match. And the thing that's made me think of this is shoes. So I would ideally probably wear either these flip-flops with this outfit, because I'm not going to wear heels. It's a very casual kind of vibe, so that's just not the vibe. Or I have these other holy shoes from ASOS, but I have loads of my clothes in the car that my fiance currently has, because we've just been to Dartmouth and he's on his way back. So I'm not sure these look right, to be honest with you. I don't know how to show you this. Oh no, let's go up a bit. I should actually really just angle this camera differently, and then you'd be able to see properly. No, you can't see. Hang on, let's change the angle. I feel like that's slightly better. I don't know if you can see these. Yeah, I don't know. I think something needs to switch up here. And I think it's the skirt, unfortunately. I just don't think it looks right without heels. Way better. Also, I can wear these trousers to the airport on the way back. So we're keeping that in mind. I'm kind of desperate to get this white handbag out, but I'm just not sure it's going to go with many of my other outfits. And also we're having dinner in the villa on the first night. So even though that would look cute, I just don't think it's going to be that practical. Okay, we're going to try something else because I just feel like this is too basic. So, change my mind again. I've been dying to wear this top with these trousers, and I've tucked the side bitting because it's quite long to make it asymmetric, and it's backless. Not sure on the bra situation, but this is what I think I'm going to go for. And then I can mix and match either of these with other outfits that I take just if I want something different to wear. And we can't forget the accessories. I've got a silver bangle on and some silver earrings now. I'm going to take a little black bag, but I don't have it here to show you. So you're going to have to check that on my Instagram. Now I've got this outfit, I'm going to put it in my packing cube for day one. I'm going to split my packing cubes by day one, day two, day three. I will split them each trip by something different. I don't always do a packing cube for each day, and it depends actually how much stuff I end up taking with me. So I'm definitely taking this. I'm going to also bring this little denim jacket because I have a sneaky feeling it might get a little bit cold, and that pairs nicely. So this is the evening outfit. I've gone for a skirt that I bought last year. This is a tank top from Henny. It's the viral tank top. And if you've been wondering whether to buy it or not, if you've seen this tank top before, it's very expensive. But I can tell you now it is 100% worth it. And I wish that I had it in more colours. But this colour is so versatile with a lot of my wardrobe. It's always about buying colours that you think and you know are going to go well with everything else that you own. So I would actually wear this with those leopard print, zebra print trousers. Goes with this skirt, which obviously needs an iron. But this will either be like, I actually think I could wear this to the cooking class, to be fair. It's kind of like quite a nice casual kind of vibe. So this will either be a dinner outfit or for the cooking class. But we also know now that these brown flip-flops are going with a lot of outfits already. So I've now picked out another outfit. This is probably going to be for the cooking class. I know I said I was going to wear that other outfit, but I think I'll stick that to the evening just because it is a little bit smarter, and I'll bring a white jumper. I'm going to wear this to the cooking class in the daytime. White jeans, dubious for a cooking class, but I'm hoping that we have aprons. But the other thing is I want to bring these white jeans because I've just looked at the weather and it's going to be about 20 degrees. So it's good to have trousers, something that makes you feel a bit warmer. I'm going to wear this, and then I'm going to bring this navy tee from COS, which again, it's a different outfit. It's a different vibe, but it just is working together. Potentially for the airport on the last day on the way home. Okay, I'm back on Pinterest and I really want to bring these jorts, and I was thinking what it's going to be like with chilli, what kind of outfit can I wear with it? And it showed me this picture, this girl enjoying a lovely little coffee, and I'm taking a black handbag for this outfit down here. And I have sunglasses similar to that. So I just thought, actually, this would be a great little pairing. Not sure what I'll wear it for, but it could be like a dinner. It could be a lunch. I think I've got plenty of sort of daytime outfits here now. So I might press pause on that. I just need one more for a picnic that I'm hosting. And I'm going to take the red gingham everything blanket and my red gingham cool bag. So I just need to make sure that whatever I pack for the picnic is a good vibe to have photos with the picnic, basically. This is definitely one of my most worn outfits when I've been away. This skirt has been a very good purchase. But I think I am going to have to wear this for the picnic. This top's also a bit dirty and I'm not sure I have time to clean it. So I think we'll have to Photoshop that in. But I thought it would also go really well with my partner in wine gingham headscarf. Not quite sure how I'll wear this yet, but probably something like this. And it just has a little pop of colour and it will look really cute on the picnic blanket. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 outfits. That's exactly what I need. I'm going to pack a little bit of swimwear, and then what I'm going to do next is take a photo of every single outfit. And that just means that when I'm away, I'll have a reference point for which outfits I can pick. So I will have all of the outfits, a photo of me in every single one of them, and I will put them on the screen here now for you to look at. And I think this is a really, really great way when you're on holiday to make sure it's just super easy and quick for you to get dressed. So that is how I pack for my trips. I need to wait until my husband comes back with a car because he's got a pair of shoes that I need and a handbag that I need. But once I have those, I will take all of the photos. Then I'm going to pack them into my suitcase. This is a medium-sized suitcase from Antler. It should be big enough, but I'm also taking another suitcase, which I will need to fill with partner and wine merch, like picnic blankets, some gifts that I have for our guests. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you follow along. I would love to share the rest of my restyle and fashion journey with you. And I hope that I can give you some inspiration if you're wanting to do something a little bit similar and learn some tips from me along the way. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe. And of course, if you want any of the links to any of this stuff, I will put them below this video so you can shop. And I'll see you very soon for another episode of my Restyle Diaries. Bye.